Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to remove someone from Snapchat group. The only way to get rid of a participant is to ask them to voluntarily leave the chat. But persuading someone to do this can be though. So, the easiest way to remove someone from a Snapchat group is by creating a new group chat without them. Launch the Snapchat app. Select the speech bubble icon located at the bottom of the screen. Hit the blue chat button at the bottom right and then tap New Group option. Give your new chat a name by tapping on the bar that says New Group Name. Next, choose the people in your friends list that you want to add to the new group. This will be the people from your old group, minus the individual that you wanted to remove. Initiate the new group by tapping the Chat with Group button. You can now share snaps, chats, and stories with your friends. But it's worth noting that unlike on private chat, the snaps you send in your group chat will not increase your Snapchat score. With the new chat created, you may leave your old group to prevent any confusion. If the individual you wanted to remove starts harassing you, consider reporting them on Snapchat. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.